I had this scratch in my 03 Silverado for many years, and I noticed it today. I'm like, let's try some Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0 on it. I'll put just a little bit on a clean cotton rag. I'm going the direction of the scratch. And the scratch was kind of whitish, which I'm thinking was some Meguiar's Gold Class poly sealant. So I'm thinking it's a fairly deep scratch. It may be just through the clear coat, but it might be into the base a little bit too. I don't think it's down to the primer. I'll put some more on here. That didn't take it out, but it may have lessened it a little bit. I'm going to try some 3M rubbing compound. This will be a bit more aggressive than the Scratch X. More. And again, I'm going the direction of the scratch. I'll wipe that with a clean towel rag. That's still right there. I'm going to work on that a bit more. I'll be back. I went over that with the rubbing compound for probably about 5 minutes, and I didn't push real hard. Now I'm going to go over it with the Scratch X. I can still see it a little bit. It's right there, but it's so much better than it was. I had this scratch in my 03 Silverado for. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.